Welcome to the NAB Show, the world's largest trade show for the media industries. I'm Mike, and I'm a research associate at Ryerson University's AccessFabrik lab. My colleagues and I are here, front and center in the International Research Park, promoting our work on HD collaborative design tools and networking with corporate leaders in our field. We're here offering an excellent example of applied research, we're here responding to a demonstrated need in our target industry, and we're here reflecting the very best of taking Ontario's talent and innovation to market. So the industrial need for this project is quite simple. Today, organizations within the engineering and manufacturing domains place about as much emphasis on the management and flow of knowledge through a value chain as they do commodities that are more tangible in nature. So for example, part suppliers in the Canadian automotive sector are often asked to collaborate with the auto manufacturers themselves in designing and engineering their product instead of simply producing and supplying it. So these changes in what we might call the overarching economics of this industry, in this industrial sector, have led to a greater focus on collaboration, both in terms of communicating across geographic divides to design components in shared virtual spaces, but also to look at new requirements to bridge cultural barriers in order to manage this distributed development process. So it's here where we find our key research problem, the need to work closely with international partners in the automotive industry to design new tools that more effectively address those conditions. We set out to work with Magna Closures in Canada as our key industrial partner. Also, we worked with Fraunhofer IAO in Germany. Both have been very involved in not only supplying models for us to use, but also in the testing and evaluation process. So in working with them and with the support of organizations like OCE, we're advancing the state of the art and moving science and engineering forward in an innovative way. Until now, shared desktop environments were accomplished primarily with commercial software that shared graphical content with a pretty significant delay. Also, any open source conferencing and shared space applications that existed really traditionally have only allowed for lower fidelity configurations. But with us, by leveraging prior work in developing new services, our team devised some solutions to extend and advance the state of this art of distributive collaborative visualization. So overall, the objectives for the project included creating new tools to facilitate HD shared visualization and remote desktop control, experimenting with real-time captioning and translation services as part of this process, and enhancing local and international business-to-business collaboration overall. In terms of impact, we feel that we've met and exceeded these objectives. The tests of our initial prototype of this suite of tools have largely been successful. In one instance, we had nodes in Toronto, Canada and Stuttgart, Germany, and we linked them through this interface, and this enabled researchers in both locations to manipulate 3D industrial designs in high definition and with relatively low latency. And the captioning and translation services, English to German, that we used also helped improve cross-cultural understanding and the overall efficacy of the collaborative process.
So there's numerous business potentials streaming from this project. The success of this proof of concept demonstration suggests that there is potential to deploy similar technology within industry. While showing our research here at the NAB show, we've been approached here by those in the broadcasting industry interested in our research. The tools that we've developed could be used outside the realm of industrial design to facilitate other forms of collaboration. Whether it's in the field of medical, architectural, and scientific applications, as well as 2D and 3D media interaction, education, collaborative performance, and shared space artistic installations.
I hope you've enjoyed learning about our HD collaborative design tools. Here at Ryerson's AccessFabrik lab, we're all about researching and developing leading-edge information and communication technology and exploring new opportunities to partner with industry. Our sincere thanks to the Ontario Centres of Excellence for their support of our work. And our thanks, of course, to our industrial partner Magna Closures in Canada and to our academic partner Fraunhofer IAO in Germany. Thanks to you for watching, and bye for now.